Most people think AI UGC is just cheap AI content pretending to be real, and honestly, the assumption is costing brands millions in wasted ad spend. In the United States alone, companies invested more than $10 billion into UGC in 2025, and nearly 79% of consumers say UGC directly impacts what they actually buy. The problem is nobody actually breaks down which type of AI UGC is worth your time and which one's a waste. So today, I'm ranking every major format of AI UGC from S tier to absolute dog, so you know exactly where to put your effort. Here's the issue with the old way of doing this. Hiring a real creator for a single short video runs $150 to $300, and that's before usage rights, which typically tack on another 30 to 50%. Add revisions, and you're looking at 5 to 14 days just to get one finished video back. Scale that to 20 videos a month, and you're spending anywhere from $3,000 to $9,000 every single month just on content. That gap is exactly what AI UGC exists to close. Alright, let's actually rank the formats. Tier item number 1, traditional UGC. Real creators, real experiences. The highest possible authenticity you can get. This is exactly why it still works best for testimonials and genuine social proof. Nothing beats a real customer talking about a real result. But the cost and turnaround absolutely fall apart the second you try to scale it. And that's the wall most brands hit, trying to run more than a handful of ad variations a month. B tier, still valuable, just not built for volume. Tier item number 2, generic AI UGC. This is a broad catch-all bucket. Anything AI makes, automated reports, chatbot replies, generic synthetic content, is dirt cheap and infinitely scalable, but it almost always lacks the personal, relatable quality that actually makes content convert. If the goal is connection and trust, not just volume, this misses the entire point. D tier. Tier item number 3, AI UGC video ads. This is the format doing the heavy lifting right now. An AI character delivering a product pitch or review in that casual, direct-to-camera style that mirrors real creator content. Ads using this format get 4 times higher click-through rates than traditional branded ads, and brands see 29% higher conversion rates. Cost per video drops from hundreds of dollars to basically nothing beyond a subscription, and turnaround goes from weeks to minutes. S tier easily. Tier item number 4, AI UGC social content. Same underlying tech, different job. Keeping a brand's organic posting cadence alive without a full production team behind it. Hook videos, trend responses, quick product tips. The value here isn't virality, it's consistency. Small teams can post daily across multiple platforms without burning out or hiring more people. A tier. Tier item number 5, AI UGC product demos and explainers. An AI presenter walking someone through a product, a feature, or an app. Genuinely useful for SaaS and e-commerce brands that need to explain something complex, fast. It boosts engagement over a flat screen recording, but it's a narrower use case than ads or social content, so the ceiling here is just lower by nature. B tier. Tier item number 6, AI UGC training and L&D content. Onboarding videos, compliance training, internal course content. Using one consistent AI presenter across an entire series instead of rebooking talent every time something changes. It's genuinely useful and solves a real internal headache, but it doesn't touch revenue directly. So if you're chasing income from this space, treat it as a bonus use case, not the main play. C tier. Okay, quick mention before we keep going, since I know some of you are already wondering where to actually learn the S tier stuff properly, not just watch a ranking video about it. Full transparency, I'm a member, not the owner, but the community I've been learning this inside is called AI Video Bootcamp. More on that at the end if you're curious. Here's why none of this is a passing trend. The global UGC platform market is projected to go from $7.1 billion in 2025 to nearly $44 billion by 2032, growing almost 30% a year. And the AI video generation market specifically is expected to hit $2.56 billion by 2032. AI UGC sits right at the intersection of both of those curves. This is exactly why brands are shifting real budget toward it right now. Not because it's trendy, but because the math actually works. If you want a short version of how this actually gets made, you write a script built around a hook in the first 3 seconds, one clear value point, and a single call to action. You pick a visual approach, an AI character or presenter that actually matches your target audience, not just whatever looks cool. You generate multiple variations instead of committing to one. Because most tools produce a first version in 2 to 10 minutes, so there's genuinely no excuse to only test one hook or one character. Then you edit, caption, format it for the platform, and treat every post as a test, not a finished answer. Okay, so here's the bottom line. AI UGC isn't a replacement for real creators, and it isn't magic either. It's leverage. It lets you do what already works. Creator-style content that builds trust, faster, cheaper, and at a scale traditional UGC simply can't match. The brands actually winning right now aren't choosing AI over real creators. They're using each one exactly where it earns its place. If you actually want to learn how to build this properly, not just generate random clips and hope one works, that's the exact system I've been learning inside AI Video Bootcamp. Like I said, full transparency again, I'm a member, not the person who built it. It's ranked the top AI video and image course on School. Over 20,000 creators inside, structured modules, weekly updates, and real daily feedback instead of figuring this out completely alone. Links in the description if you want to check it out. No pressure either way. I'll see you guys in the next one.